What's up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working with Wowigs Hair Company. All of the links are in the description box as well as on screen. Alright, you guys, so what I'm going to do is take this little piece of elastic band and I'm going to sew that to each tab on each side of the frontal, just so the wig is more secure and it lays down more flat and stays on my head without me having to, sew anything down or glue anything down. So I'm really just taking it and sewing it onto the wig like this. So after adding in the elastic band, I did attempt to bleach my knots, but as you can see, that was a complete fail. They're way too brassy and the color is just off. But I went ahead and styled the edges of the wig using some of my Ebony New York edge control. So I was going for a side part on this unit, so I went ahead and parted it, and as you can see, the roots are over processed, which I was telling you guys about previously, but I went ahead and worked with it anyway. So that's what you see me doing, laying the wig and adding mascara to try and conceal the fact that I over processed the roots. And everything, I just sprayed some water on it, and I am going to brush this down in my side part. The only thing about this wig is you can see the cap. Like, for whatever reason, it used a brown net, and you can see that like throughout the wig when you separate the hair. I don't know why they did that. That is definitely turn off for this unit. I just went ahead and used mousse to lay the top of the wig and also used a brush to brush it in the direction that I wanted it to lay, trying my best to cover up that netting situation that I was telling you guys about earlier. So I'm using this mousse to mold my part, and I just let that sit while I did my makeup. As far as the quality of the actual hair is concerned, the hair is cool. I don't really have any complaints about that. I didn't experience any tingling or any shedding, so it's really low maintenance because it is a wavier texture. All I had to do was wet it, mousse it, and scrunch it in order to get it to work with me. So this is a very low maintenance unit, and this is what I ended up with. Like I said, I don't have any complaints about the hair in itself. The wig definitely could have been constructed better. Like I said, it was a little too thin and you could see the net in certain parts of the wig. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. All of the links are in the description box. And I will see you in our next video.